What if your mother warned you, but you opened the door anyway? Once upon a time, in a cozy little cottage near the forest, there lived a mother goat and her 7 little goats. They were cheerful, naughty, and loved to chatter all day. Ma, tell us a story, said the smallest goat. Yes, but first I must go to the forest to bring food, Mother Goat replied gently. She looked at them seriously. Listen carefully. Children, a big bad wolf roams nearby. Do not open the door for anyone unless you are sure it is me. How will we know it's you? Asked another goat. My voice is soft and sweet, and my feet are white, like fresh milk. She smiled. Okay, Ma. All 7 goats said together, and off she went. As soon as she left, the little goats began playing. Let's play hide and seek, said one. No, let's eat, said another. No, let's sing, shouted the tiniest one. And just then, knock, knock, knock. The goats froze. Who is it? One goat asked nervously. I am your mother. Open the door, my dear children, came a rough, grumpy voice. The goats whispered, That doesn't sound like Ma. And Ma's voice is sweet, not like a broken drum. So they shouted, You are not our mother. Go away. The wolf growled. Clever little goats. The wolf thought for a moment. I know, I'll fix my voice. So he went to a nearby shop and drank some honey. He practiced. Then he came back. Knock, knock, knock. Children, it's me, your Ma, he said in a much softer voice. The goats looked at each other. That does sound like Ma, one said. But wait, said the smartest goat. Show us your feet. The wolf quickly showed his feet through the window. They were black and dirty. Ew! Ma has clean white feet, shouted the goats. Go away, wolf! The wolf stomped angrily. These goats are too smart. Now the wolf had a new idea. He ran to a baker and dipped his feet in flour. Now they are white. Perfect. He grinned. Back he went. Knock, knock, knock. My dear children, open the door, he said sweetly. Show us your feet, the goats shouted. The wolf showed his now white feet. The goats gasped. Oh no, it is Ma. And without thinking, they opened the door. Whoosh! The wolf jumped in. Got you? He laughed loudly. The little goats screamed and ran everywhere. Hide, hide, shouted one. One hid in the cupboard, one under the table, one inside a pot, one behind the curtain, one under the bed, one inside a shoe rack. But the smallest goat quietly hid inside a clock. The wolf searched and gobbled them up one by one. Oh, what a tasty meal, he said. Soon, he was full and sleepy. He lay down under a tree outside and began snoring loudly. Snore! After some time, Mother Goat returned. She saw the door open. Oh no, something is wrong. She rushed inside. The house was messy, chairs fallen, things broken. My children, where are you? She cried. Suddenly, a tiny voice came from the clock. Ma, I'm here. Mother Goat quickly opened it. Oh, my baby, what happened? The wolf came. He tricked us and ate everyone. The little goat cried. Mother Goat became serious. Don't worry, we will fix this. They quietly went outside. There lay the wolf, snoring loudly. Grrr, snore. Grrr. Mother Goat whispered. His belly looks very full. Carefully, she opened his belly, and one by one, out came the goats. Yay! They cheered, we're back! But now, said Mother Goat with a smile, let's teach him a lesson. They filled the wolf's belly with stones and stitched it back. After some time, the wolf woke up. Oof, my stomach feels heavy. I need water. He walked to a well. Step, step, wobble, wobble. Why do I feel like I ate a mountain? He grumbled. He leaned over the well and splash! The stones pulled him down into the water. The goats watched from behind a bush and burst out laughing. He thought we were snacks, one goat giggled. But he became the splash, another laughed. Mother Goat smiled. Now, will you listen next time? Yes, Ma, all 7 goats said together. And no opening doors for strangers, said the tiniest one proudly. They all laughed and went back home happily. If you enjoyed this funny adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because with Bitty Jumbo, every story becomes a magical memory. See you in the next story with more fun, more laughter, and more adventures.